you guys, welcome back to another edition of RWKSD, building my Toyota 26. Today, it's going to be a little short video. It's not going to be too long. Take you guys on a little ride with me till I get to my recording spot. Show you guys a new add-on that I have. A new mod that I have for my 2026 Toyota Tundra. It's gonna be nice. So you guys, this is a new mod that I have for my 2026 Tundra. I'm gonna do the open box of the mod that I have, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's something that's well needed for the truck also, because the truck doesn't come equipped with having the capabilities that this new mod has. I'm gonna show you guys as soon as I get to the recording spot. So until then, I will see you down the road. This is gonna be like a 6-month modification review on the, I don't know, 6th, 7th, 8th modification that I did to my truck. Hasn't been that many that I did, but I forgot how many I've done. So whatever number modification it is, this is the modification that I'm doing, and this is the 6th month that I've had this vehicle. It has 5,587 miles on it, to be precise. 5,587 miles on my new Tundra, and no complaints. She's holding up like a charm. I'm enjoying it. I have some vultures in the road, and I don't want them to fly up and hit me in the windshield. Vultures. So you guys, I will get back with you in 1 minute. Of my truck. I'm gonna do a walk around. 2026 Tundra. She still looks good to me. Don't know about you guys. She still looks good to me. Just doing a walk around of my truck. Let you guys catch a glimpse. Hope you guys like it. I think she's a beauty. So today, let me let you guys in on exactly what I'm doing. The new modification that I have for my 26 Tundra. I think it's something that's well needed. And if if it's not, I already have it, so it doesn't matter. So, but it's something that's well needed. None of the new trucks come with it. You know, it comes with this composite bed liner already, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Hold on. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this new modification that I have. I just received it early this morning. I haven't taken it out the box yet, so this is gonna be the first time that I'm seeing this new modification. So stand by. I was looking at Tundra Dude 34, looking at one of his videos, and he has sponsorship through Last Fit, either partnership with Last Fit. And I went on, and it's Tundra Dude 34. I went on his video page, and I use his promo code for this item, and it's the bed liner. It's the bed liner. And I will show you guys. This is the first time I'm seeing it. And it should be just like maybe a minute to install it, if that long. Maybe not even that long. Put my trusty knife back up. And this is the unboxing. This is my first time seeing it. Seems to be pretty sturdy. No slip. Bed liner. Oh, guess I have to get up there. Guess I have to get up there, you guys. I might have it backwards. I do. I have it backwards. Ta-da! Goes like so. Goes like so. It's not compressed down all the way. It will compress down eventually. Just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna get up there and stand on it again. Okay. Job well done. Should be no more slips. I've been filling my gas can when I cut grass. The gas can been sliding everywhere. So hopefully now it won't slide anymore. Looks nice. Looks pretty durable. Okay, you guys. I said 30 seconds. It took a little bit longer, but it's in there. And hopefully it'll do what I wanted to do. I'm assuming and hoping that my next project probably will be the top cover. That's like a $1,500 item. But eventually I will get one. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I will answer all comments. And if you like the video, guys, let me know. If you have any comments about the bed liner, any complaints, any comments, any suggestions, I'm all open to hear. And you guys, I will see you guys somewhere down the road.